contempt, Mr. Tergelgte?
No, I'm not.
Don't be quiet right now.
You are
I will
in
have you
contempt of
arrested.
law, Stormy.
We're in Eureka, Montana, and the man wearing the no hunting or trespassing sign around his neck is Ernie Tergelgte, Montana's proverbial sovereign citizen, better known as the natural living man. The 57-year-old's in court today representing himself on charges of driving with a suspended license and obstructing a peace officer during his arrest. But now, after Tergelgte interrupted proceedings during jury selection, Judge Stormy Langston holds him in contempt of court.
You are in contempt, Mr. Tergelgte?
No, I'm not.
Don't be quiet right now.
You
I
are
will
in
have you
contempt of
arrested.
law, Stormy. You're in contempt of law. I'm standing for my
Officer
country's
Hines,
constitution, my
take Mr.
country's
Tergelgte
people.
into custody, please.
And I'm not keeping hands off me, Clint.
As security attempts to remove Tergelgte, town attorney Clifton Hayden keeps one of his supporters at bay.
Do we understand? Keep your hands off of me. Keep your hands off of me. Keep your hands off of me. Clinton Hines, you are guilty of conducting a military crime of foreign war. I'm an officer of justice.
Just as it looks like Tergelgte is being escorted out, he isn't.
What are we doing? Back off.
Tergelgte is almost out of the courtroom when he grabs the doorway and pushes back against the officer.
What are we doing? Back off.
Leave me alone, Clinton.
As the somewhat awkward wrestling match continues, Tergelgte's supporters add commentary.
This man
Leave me alone,
deserved
Clinton.
this. Leave me alone.
No,
Unlawful,
he doesn't.
unconstitutional.
He hasn't done any wrong.
So I'm gonna get hurt. Why has no one been able to tell him what wrongs he's done?
Doing me harm.
Why has no one been able to tell him what wrongs he's
Back
done?
off! Are you getting in it?
I'm backing off. Respect me.
From the floor, Tergelgte continues the sovereign citizen argument that the court doesn't hold jurisdiction over him.
When I comply, it will not be because contract is established.
When Tergelgte finally gets handcuffed, one of his supporters addresses Judge Langston.
Your Honor, can I ask a question without getting contempt for?
What is your question, sir?
My question is what did Ernie do wrong? What did he do wrong?
He's not following the procedure and
The court has no jurisdiction.
What are the procedures to follow? The Constitution.
The court has no jurisdiction. This court has never answered for one thing. Okay.
At the very least, the common rules of being civil in a civil society.
Can we hold that officer as standstill,
Remove
please,
my
right now?
materials. All these people
Hey,
here.
no, you don't-
Listen, all these people remove my materials. Get my hat, my constitution.
Following the incident, Ernie Tergelgte was found guilty of contempt of court, but served no jail time. He was also charged with assaulting a peace officer. That case is still pending. As for his original charge of driving with a suspended license, he was also found guilty, but again served no jail time. The charge of obstructing a peace officer was dismissed.